is my great pleasure to be part of this opening ceremony of the healthcare center, because when healthcare becomes accessible to each and every individual, then our quality of life improves, and I think that is it is one of the foremost gifts that we can bestow upon humanity. So, as we all know, kidney disease is on the rise because of increase in diabetes, high blood pressure, and other chronic conditions. In India, as compared to the rest of the world, the incidence of diabetes is going up and kidney disease also increasing. And I don't need to tell all of you, some of you might be kidney patients already, that it is something that can completely change your life when you get kidney disease. So to have access to dialysis, to have access to medical care close to your home and at your doorstep is indeed one of the privileges, I can say.
I monitor for the state of Goa. I know the figures very well. So around 200 people get heart attack in Goa for every month. So this population is there everywhere. So don't hesitate to take these services. This is government service, this will be available. No, a trained doctor, a trained paramedic and a trained assistant is available 24/7. Second facility which will be available is the dental care. Every alternate day, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, a dentist will be catering to your need. So why a dentist is needed? तुमकां खबर आसतलें, ल्हान भुरग्यांक आनी जाणटेल्यांक सगळ्यांचो डेंटल प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी गोवा इज वन ऑफ द स्टेट वेर मॅक्झिमम डेंटल प्रॉब्लेम आसा. अशें बाकीच्यांक ना आसा, बट इन गोवा वी रिपोर्ट. Since we report, the figures come. So why we report? Because people go to dentist. So dentist will be available in the morning session and she will take care of your dental health. Clap to your MLA for this facility. So what are our responsibilities as a visitor? First of all, doctors will be there 24/7. So please respect the doctor who are treating you. Give them respect, they give you respect. Tell whatever happened to you and don't expect very high-fi services. So whatever doctor's duty is to stabilize the patient for 1 hour. So in whatever capacity, in whatever doctors reach, we will try to do it because they are very much trained for this. कितें तुमकां जर फुडें चल म्हटलें, please take the referral 108 or ambulance and please go, they will arrange for you. Night time, please have some patience because doctor is also a human being, we are also human beings. So whenever you come, please wait and as your line comes, you please come. One more thing I would like to say, this is your clinic and in future it is going to be expanded and it will going to be in a better place. So if you give a very good welcome to all our staff and department, surely we are going to improve this facility and make it a bigger facility.
जेन्ना 2 मोहीम पयले आमकां ZP हिंग हे सीट फाव जावं ना, आमकां कोलवा सीट फाव जाले आनी फातराडे वाड्यान जायते लोकांक आमचे विश्वास धरूं ना आनी आमकां जायत वोट उण पडो. तेन्ना जायत जाणांनी हें सांगिल्लें म्हाका की तूं हिंग वोट उण पडो, तूं आनी तें सेंटर हिंग कित्याक ओपन करता, तूं ते दुसरे जाग्यार व्हर, तुगे वोट सुबेज पडटिंगा. मुगे एकूच मना आहलें, म्हाका जावं 100 लोकांक 150 लोकांक, पूण जे लोकांक म्हाका वोट मान निवडून हाडला ते लोकांक म्हाका जबाबदारी दिल्या की सगळे लोकांची हेल्थाची कुयदाद हांवें घेवपा जाय आनी हांवें हें युनीट जे फातराड्या हांवें हाडपाक चिंतलोलें ते तशें दवरलें आनी वी हॅव कंटिन्यूड एंड वी टुडे हॅव डिलिवर्ड एंड इनॉग्रेटेड दीस युनीट इन फातराडे irrelevant whatever the voting pattern is. मुगे एकूच सगळ्या रिक्वेस्ट, जायत जाणां कडेन हांव मान्य जालो ना अजून. मुगे कामाचेर आमगे जे काम आम केलें 4 वर्सां तेजेर आनी जे लोकांनी आमकां वोट मारून एक काम करपाक संदी दिल्या, एक सगळ्याक हांव रेस्पेक्ट दितां. आय कॅन ओन्ली कन्विन्स वन थिंग, हांवें तुमगे वोटा मान दिल्लो आहा, तुम म्हाका जे सिंबलाचे वोट मारो ते सिंबलाचे हांव आहा, हांव उडमान वचोन सरकारा बरा रावन BJP वचोन हांवें सरकारा क्लिनीक ओपन केलो हांव ऑपोजिशनार रावन हांवें एक क्लिनीक ओपन केला आनी ऑपोजिशनार रावन गोंयच पासत झुजोन गोंयच लोकां पासत झुजोन मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक हे हेल्थ केअर युनिट फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स इनिशिएटिव्ह आय हॅव मॅनेज टू गेट इट ऑर्गनायज. जायत जाण म्हाका जेन्ना इनॉग्रेशना हांवें इन्विटेशन धाडलें म्हणपाक लागले की तुमी सरकारा ह्या दिसान टिका करीत आहाय जाल्यार तूं एक आटी सरकारा टिका करता आनी एक आटी तूं सरकारागे क्लिनीक ओपन करता. सरकार म्हणलो कितें सरकार म्हणलो गव्हर्मेंटागेले पयशे सांबाळपाची एक टीम गव्हर्मेंटागे मंत्री मिनिस्टर म्हणचे आमगेले टॅक्साचे पयशे जे थिंग वयताय तिजोरेन ते कितकोन मोडपा जाय आनी फाव त्या जाग्यार मोडपाक सगळ्यान एकठांय करून हाडलोली टीम. आनी हांव कोस्टल बेल्ट म्हणून हांव केन्ना फकाणान जायत पार्टी असेंब्लीन म्हणटा आय होल्ड द लार्जस्ट कोस्ट आनी सिन्स आय होल्ड द लार्जस्ट कोस्ट I give the largest revenue to Goa government, and since I give the largest revenue in terms of tax, I need to get the best of the facilities, and that is what I am making sure I am getting for my people of Benaulim constituency. Yes, Angwan, I will continue to do my job. हे हातींतल्यान आनी जे देवान गुण दिले तितूंतल्यान ज्यो ज्यो सर्वीस तुमचे पासत करूं शकता त्यो हांव करतलो. तुमगे जी कार्ड जिखपा जाय फातराडे लोकांची ती हांव जिखतलो. जे बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकां कार्ड हांव जिखलो ना ती मुगे कामां वरी हांव जिखतलो आनी तुमगे सपोर्ट हेज्या मुखार म्हाका तुमी दितली तुमचे बारा रावतली आनी हांव मुखार अशें करून बेनावलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ह्यो 7 विलेज्यो केळशी गांव करमणी गांव ओल्डे गांव वार्की गांव बाणाले गांव कोलवा गांव आनी सुराले गांव एक पीसफुल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक मॉडल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी where health and education will be the priority. Our youth safety, our women safety is going to be the priority, and with this dedication I shall continue this term and I shall be ready for the future if all of you are going to be there with me to take this journey ahead of improving Goa and saving Goa.